The ancient city Derinkuyu was abandoned for decades until a local man noticed his chickens were disappearing through a gap in his basement that had opened up during renovations. After knocking down the wall, he found a tunnel and accidentally rediscovered the sprawling subterranean city. Now part of the United Nations Educational, Science and Cultural Organization World Heritage Site, Derinkuyu is open to visitors, though they can explore only 8 of its 18 levels. Here's a closer look at the remarkable city and its history. Stretching 280 feet below the Earth's surface in Turkey's Cappadocia region is a web of tunnels and cave-like dwellings that once housed 20,000 people.